G'day everyone, welcome to another exciting episode where we explore the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today we have something truly special for you. We're going to take a deep dive into the 2024 Toyota RAV4, a vehicle that has been a favorite among drivers for years. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey together. Today we're diving into the world of the 2024 Toyota RAV4. This SUV is not just a mode of transportation, it's a statement of style, reliability, and innovation. Exceptional. The SUV market is a crowded one, but the RAV4 stands tall. It goes head-to-head with rivals like the Subaru Forester and Honda CR-V. What sets the RAV4 apart? It's all about balance. The RAV4 delivers a smooth ride, great fuel economy and plenty of space. It's perfect for families on the go. Plus it's got that Toyota reliability we all know and love. Let's talk engines. The RAV4 comes standard with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. That gives you 203 horsepower. Need to tow a trailer? No problem. The RAV4 can handle up to 3,500 pounds. But here's the kicker, it's fuel efficient. You'll get up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway. That's important with today's petrol prices. Now let's talk looks. The RAV4 has a bold and modern design. It's got sharp lines and a sporty stance. Standard features include 17-inch wheels and LED daytime running lights. Want to upgrade? Go for the 19-inch wheels or the panoramic glass roof. And don't forget those LED fog lights, perfect for those foggy mornings. The RAV4 is ready to turn heads wherever you go. Section 5, step inside. Comfort and tech. Open the door and you'll find a spacious and comfortable cabin, the RAV. 4 seats, 5 adults comfortably. You've got synthetic leather seats and a power moonroof. But the tech is what impresses me. The infotainment system is top-notch. It features an 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and more. Stay connected and entertained on every drive. Section 6. Safety first with Toyota Safety Sense. Safety is paramount. In today's fast-paced world, ensuring the safety of you and your loved ones while on the road is more important than ever. With increasing traffic and unpredictable driving conditions, having a vehicle equipped with advanced safety features can make all the difference. That's where Toyota Safety Sense comes into play, offering peace of mind every time you get behind the wheel. That's why the RAV4 comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. This comprehensive suite of safety technologies is designed to enhance your driving experience by providing an extra layer of protection. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or embarking on a road trip, Toyota Safety Sense is there to help you navigate the roads with confidence. This suite of advanced safety features is designed to keep you and your loved ones safe. Imagine driving through a busy suburban neighborhood where children might suddenly dart into the street or other vehicles might make unexpected stops. With Toyota Safety Sense, you can rest assured that your vehicle is equipped to handle these situations, helping to prevent accidents before they happen. You get features like a pre-collision system, lane departure alert, and automatic high beams. The pre-collision system uses advanced sensors to detect potential collisions, and can even apply the brakes if necessary to avoid or mitigate an impact. Lane departure alert helps keep you on track by warning you if you start to drift out of your lane without signaling, while automatic high beams adjust your headlights for optimal visibility without blinding other drivers. And dynamic radar cruise control. This feature takes the stress out of long highway drives by maintaining a set distance from the vehicle ahead, automatically adjusting your speed to match the flow of traffic. It's like having a co-pilot who helps you stay safe and comfortable on the road. Higher trims offer blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and more. Blind spot monitoring alerts you to vehicles in your blind spots, making lane changes safer and more confident. Rear cross traffic alert helps you back out of parking spaces by warning you of approaching vehicles from either side, reducing the risk of collisions in crowded parking lots. Drive with confidence, knowing that the RAV4 has your back. Whether you're navigating winding country roads or cruising through a bustling cityscape, Toyota Safety Sense provides the support you need to drive with peace of mind. With these advanced safety features, you can focus on enjoying the journey, knowing that your vehicle is equipped to handle whatever the road throws your way. Section 7, a touch of luxury. When you think of luxury, what comes to mind? Is it the feel of premium materials, the convenience of advanced technology, or perhaps the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're driving a top-tier vehicle? The Toyota RAV4 brings all these elements together in one stylish package. Looking for a bit of luxury? Imagine sinking into seats that feel like they were made just for you, with every detail designed to enhance your driving experience. The RAV4's interior is crafted with precision, offering a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The RAV4 has you covered. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring the great outdoors, this vehicle adapts to your needs with ease. Its sleek design and powerful performance make every journey a pleasure. Upgrade to features like soft-tech seats, a hands-free power liftgate, and JBL premium audio. These aren't just add-ons, they're essentials that transform your drive into an experience. Soft-tech seats offer the perfect blend of comfort and durability, while the hands-free power liftgate makes loading and unloading a breeze. And with the JBL premium audio system, every note is crystal clear, turning your car into a concert hall on wheels. You can even get a bird's-eye view camera. This advanced feature provides a 360-degree view of your surroundings, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces easier than ever. It's like having an extra set of eyes giving you confidence and peace of mind, and front and rear park assist. These technologies work together to ensure that you can park with precision, avoiding obstacles and making the most of every parking spot. It's all about making your life simpler and more convenient. Heated and ventilated front seats will keep you comfortable year-round. No matter the weather, you can adjust your seat to the perfect temperature, ensuring that every drive is a comfortable one. In the winter, enjoy the warmth of heated seats, and in the summer, stay cool with ventilated seating. The RAV4 proves that you don't have to sacrifice comfort for practicality. With its spacious interior, advanced features, and luxurious touches, it offers the best of both worlds. Whether you're commuting to work, taking a road trip, or running errands, the RAV4 is designed to make every journey enjoyable. Experience the perfect blend of luxury and functionality with the Toyota RAV4. Section 8, the RAV4, perfect for Egypt. Now let's talk about why the RAV4 is perfect for Egypt. Fuel efficiency is crucial with rising petrol prices, and the RAV4 delivers. Plus, Toyota's reputation for reliability is unmatched. The TRD off-road trim is perfect for those weekend adventures in the desert. With its advanced safety features, the RAV4 is also well-suited for navigating busy city streets. Section 9. Why choose the RAV4? So, there you have it, folks. The 2024 Toyota RAV4 is a winner. It's reliable, stylish, and packed with tech. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend adventurer, the RAV4 has something for everyone. It's the perfect SUV for those who demand the best. And that's the 2024 Toyota RAV4. Until next time, happy motoring.